Ki perlok menta kasngi hapo ka jinglong jingalam jong chief minister jong ngidon dia kena ke review meeting ngilai discuss pun ki badai bat ka jing keu jong kena ka covid-19 hang ni hapo ka jela Meghalaya jongi ban ngai kwa ban pentip ba menta kasngi ka kes ka poi hadu sispa khandai po arteli but ka active cases ko total ka poi 6,000 RPA. The total active cases that we have till today is 1021 and 3 deaths. 3 deaths. Total active cases 1021 and the today positive cases is 192. So few decisions were taken today. Please listen carefully and please communicate this also to the citizens of the state. Number one, the decision we taken today is that RT-PCR test is made mandatory. Any returnees, any entrants coming inside to the state of Meghalaya, they need to go for RT-PCR test. There will be no more RAT in the entry point. No more RAT. And we will also not accept any certificate issued by different state government, because previously what we do was we considered those certificate issued by any respective state government entering Meghalaya. Once they show within 72 hours time the certificate, then we allow them to enter and we don't take any test further. But this time, as I've said to you, the government, state government has decided that RT-PCR test is a must to each and every entrance coming in to our state, except those persons who already obtained the certificate of completion of vaccination, both the doses. You get the point? Menta kasngi nilai sim ya karai haka review meeting. Hapo ke jenglam jongi chief minister badon burom jongi. Baki barung siapo ke jela Meghalaya jongi nangne syakmat. Kidon kam banlek ya ka RT-PCR test. Kinu ki barung siapo ke jela jongi ngin sim da ka RT-PCR test om desu da ka RAT. Baru sekata ngi consider yikini kibriu bawan napo North Eastern State ban bakin le da ka RAT ten rei mentang la sim ni karai ba ngin yat be da ka RT-PCR test. But habaden ming la sim napo ka entry point ya ka RT-PCR collection ngin pa ya ki sala ki jong jaka ka bagi syom kisa in isolation hadu ban yo ya report laki long negatif ni kilong positif, then ya kajing betha kaba company nakaliang jong ka health department kan sa issue kani ka trend kalong kapasniu hadu kata-kata. The increase of the positive cases on daily basis, the report showed that we are leading to a very grim situation. So what I wanted to request all the citizens of the state or our friends coming into our state, if possible, please stop your coming into our state, and also our residents who already here in our state, kindly take care yourself very well. Unnecessary coming out of your village or your houses kindly avoid. Avoid the unnecessary coming out, especially to Shillong. Ka case ka babon kalong menta hapo ka Shillong agglomeration area. Jika ka mga kerpat nakaliang jo sarkar kalong. Bakitu ki basyukwa banwan don kam si Shillong na ki daw le say ki bom da don kam ki basyukwa banwan kai lene banwan ye kendu ye ki bayi ke basen lene ki lok ye ki jor ki bom da don kam ka advice jong ina ka sarkar menta kalong bas ngeu ba ban namwan si Shillong namar ka case kanang kiyo na kawi kasni siya kawi kasni. Kata ka di ka mga kwa ban pentip ban kerpat na kaliang jong ka sarkar bat kinsgaw ba ban kongu iya ka ni kijing betha jong ni na kaliang ka sarkar kenang bakan like kijing spread jong uniu kenyang jing bang uba syirkei hadu kata-kata. As far as East Khasils is concerned, because as I've already told you, the positive cases that has happened till today, maximum are here in Shillong agglomeration. Therefore, today again the government has taken the decision. Those tourist spots located within East Khasils district will be immediately closed down. Till 30th of this month. Till the 30th of this month, tourist spots located within East Khasils will be closed down. Ki colleges ki badon hapo Shillong agglomeration hapo Shillong barokaway ngilaray ban khang no shuang hadu kalai terik jong uni upenai me ar hajar ar poway. Like no kitu ki college ki badon kanika examination center ya kita in ailat bakin pendem ya ke exam ke jongki nanta shushu ka online classes ha kitu ki colleges ki bangi ongin khang mata kan ya ku majulok bat umdei tangata ki nong hikai ki lecturers ki teachers kin attend ya ka duty joki kum bajulong normal ha kiski ki balade itu ki gym ki jaga lekai ki jaga kapsnyu nang ta ki cinema hall nang ta ki swimming pools nang ta ki bar hapo ki hotel ne ki restaurant ki baper ngin khang no shwa nadu ka arpuloi electric jong uniu benai mata hadu ka light electric jong uniu benai ubang menta kar kala sim ya ka wei karai ba yakitu kidukan kibal kebengi ong ki non essential shops kidukan ki bomdei yaki tiar gitar ki bangi .com man kesni kebengi ong ki essential shops ngila sim ni karai banadu ka arpuloi jong uni ubenai hadu ka artrik jong ubenai mi ngin khang shua yaki barok nadu ka artrik hadu ka artrik jong nai mi ngin khang shua yaki niki non essential shops hang ne hapo Shillong barok kawai nangta kawai pat kami simru karai menta kasngi kolomba ya ka attendance jong kinong tray sorka ha ki department gi baperu per menta ni penhia na ka 6% sya kalai persen kita kidai girai ki pengisim menta ka janmi bat ka sarkar ka simru ya ka wei ka jingkerpat ka bakerpak na benta kinong snong jo ka jela porok wei bakin ngau ba ban ya trailang bat ka health department hakaba ka vaccination drive nang ni sikmat ni kwa ban penyaj state kepala kenang ba kanlong singan bat kanlong safe ya ki pai ba nong snong jong gejela jongi barakoi ni de kerpat bat ni da penbor ya iwei pai wei nong snong ki bampat a ya ke vaccination ya ke bampat le ya ke vaksin bat kin ngau ba banlek haki jaka haki center kiba kasorka kalabu bakin yo yaladi yak injection kumbalap ka nakaliang jong ka health department. It's very unfortunate to say that I've seen it in, especially in public places, people seems they are not scared anymore to COVID-19. Unlike last year. So this year, you must have seen, though from the government we keep requesting people, please take care of yourself, because unless you take care of yourself individually, you need to understand one thing: government cannot do anything. We need to take care of ourselves. We need to to respect and to obey and to adhere whatever notification issued by the government through the health department from time to time. We need to really adhere to this in totality. So therefore, I would like to appeal here. I would like to request once again that the second wave of this COVID-19, the strain is highly infectious. The spread is so much, and we would therefore request all the citizens of the state to take care of themselves. Let me just tell you one thing: we are observing on a very regular basis. If the situation is out of control, no way out, government has to go for total lockdown. So therefore, I would request on behalf of the government is requesting each and every citizen of the state, kindly, please help the government by your helping yourself. Without your help, government cannot do anything. And your help is what? Very simple. Unnecessary movement, avoid. Why should you just come to Shillong when it is not so necessary? Well, if you talk about maybe the emergency cases or maybe health issues, okay, that you have to. But those avoidable trips can be avoided and can also be extended, because the situation is so grim as of today's report that we received from Health Department.